Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to install and use Homebrew on your MacBook. Homebrew is a free and open source software package management system that simplifies the installation of software on Apple's operating system, Mac OS, as well as Linux. To do this, open your browser and simply Google Homebrew. Now open the first URL. Hit this button to copy the command. Navigate to your terminal and paste the command. Keep in mind you need to be an admin user on your device. Hit return and enter your password as many times as required. I fast forward the installation process to save time for you all. Last step is to copy and paste this command to allow Homebrew to install app in your Mac. Now with a simple search in Homebrew's website, you can install an application without any headache. For instance, I am going to install an application via Homebrew. And here we go. To uninstall Homebrew, simply copy and paste the command in caption of this video and paste it in terminal. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.